Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's Margie, aka Vape Tech Unboxed, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 3. Bam! But before we begin the video, I do want to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that. Now let's jump in to the video. Now, a big shout out to Sarah over at Verizon for sending the Google Pixel 3 out so that way we could review here on the channel. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, and then I'll also be doing my review on the Google Pixel 3 in a week or so. After I get some time to spend with it, that's when I'll get it out. Now, I have tons and tons of videos I need to film, so we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna jump right into it. When I say tons, you guys, I have tons. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into it. Now, the Google Pixel 3, I believe, runs like $7.99, but there's always payment plans available through your carrier plans and stuff. Always different ways to pay for phones. So if you need to pay month to month, you can do so. So here we go, the Google Pixel 3. Now, if you guys know, obviously you guys do know because you follow me on this channel, I do nothing but iPhone. We do a lot of iPhone videos on this channel. I thought let's broaden the horizon and let's bring some new content to the channel. So I appreciate all of you guys who stick around with me and watch my videos no matter what I show, because you guys rock. Alright, so Google Pixel 3, this is what the box looks like. Hashtag Team Pixel. Now, I never used a Google phone before, although I used to use the Galaxy S7. I don't know when my last Galaxy phone was. I believe it was the S7 Edge. But let's go ahead and take it out. And she sent over the pink color in the box. All right, we've got a couple of things in the box, so let's take a look at it. All right, nothing else in there. We're just gonna toss this over to the side, get that out of here. All right, so in the box you get your, this is a Type-C connector, so you can connect your headphones, I believe, or your other devices. You also have a micro USB to Type-C. Okay, in here you're going to have, let's see, what are these? Okay, your headphones. And these are Type-C connected headphones. These are really nice though. Look at those. All right. You get your cable, your charging cable. This is a Type-C to Type-C cable. And then you get your power brick. This is a big chunky power brick. So this is a 5 volt 3.0 amp and 9 volt 2.0 amp. And then you have your SIM card ejection tool, your Let's Get Started, Team Pixel sticker, and all your books. And that is all. That's what comes in this box. We're gonna put everything off to the side. This is what the Google Pixel looks like. Really nice. I don't know if you can get the color on camera, but it's like a sand pink. I like it. Little glass up top and then a matte finish down here on the bottom. You have your fingerprint sensor there, power button, your volume buttons, your Google Pixel logo there, your Type-C in to charge your phone, and your SIM card. After using the 10s Max, I mean, look at the size of this. This is crazy. It feels so tiny in my hands. Now, I already hooked it up a little bit just because I didn't want to go through all that process on camera. I'm sure you guys have seen it several times. So I went through the process of getting it set up and getting some apps loaded and stuff just so we can take a look at it. But this is what it looks like. Dang, man, I have not used a Android phone in so long. So the interface, everything is just so different. Now, I will say, if I had to choose the Pixel 3 and the Pixel XL, now that it's in hand, I would definitely go for the XL because I'm already used to the full screen on my Macs, and this is only half screen. So let's open up like YouTube. Look at, it's only half screen. It only goes to about there. And I like my full screen. I like it. Even though the phone is a little big, I still like the full screen spectrum. So, I mean, not like a deal breaker or anything, but having my screen cut in half, not something that I like. Getting used to the interface though, they did add like a little home button plus your Google Assistant button there. You can slide it up for your apps. You do have an app switcher, so if you open up a bunch of apps, that will be your app switcher. Let's see, let's open up YouTube, the camera, and then you just swipe up, not all the way, and then you can flick side to side for your app switcher. Really cool. We're gonna go over the ins and out of this phone once I get to playing with it and I learn everything about it, because right now I don't know everything about it. So yeah, we'll get to that in future videos. I just wanted to unbox it and show you guys it. And we do have some cases coming up for the Google Pixel 3. So stay tuned for those videos. Nice, short, and sweet video. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. I love all of you guys so very much. A big shout out to my true MVPs who show love on all my channels and my social media. You guys know where to find me if you want more of me. All those links are going to be down below in the description, along with the link where you could pick up the Google Pixel 3 for yourself. So if you want to check out the description when you're done here, I would greatly appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about the Google Pixel 3 down below. Also, let me know what kind of cases you guys want to see for the Google Pixel 3, and let me know what other content you guys want to see on the channel. Make sure you guys drop that all down below in the comments. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video.